That's a nice one too. But I think the green and blue so far is the top one.
That was pretty neat.
That was cool. It seems like they've got a different supplier because
Yeah.
Oh, you think so? Yeah,
the
maybe.
shape seems.
That's really pretty too, the way they're red and blue. It's always Atlas Pyrotechnica, New Hampshire. Ooh, I liked that.
Look at that.
Wow.
Oh, that's different.
Wow.
What's her name? Christine Peterson went out to someplace where they were setting up fireworks
Yeah.
today, and when she came, they asked her, "Are you sure you're
There's a
wearing
heart.
cotton?" A heart, yeah. They didn't want her to be by the fireworks if she was wearing other than cotton.
Oh,
no sparks.
interesting.
Static electricity.
Huh. Wow.
Yeah, I think I'd be pretty careful.
It's hard to find something in the closet that's cotton these days. Everything has a mixture of something. That's pretty. Oh, you know, Catherine, you go to India a lot, and Steve was just in Bangalore recently for his
Oh.
first job.
Yeah, it's fun there, isn't it? I played it.
Yeah, it's very interesting, very different.
What were you doing?
So it was for work, so it's a company there that writes software for us.
I don't go a lot, Carol.
It seems to me,
Been several times.
yeah, you go more than most people.
I love India. So alive.
That's a good way of describing it. Yeah, Steve really enjoyed. He's been twice, and he
Oh, he's been
really,
twice.
really was enlivened.
Isn't it alive just so with people in color?
Yeah.
Friendly. Food is good as you like it.
Gavin's a real fireworks lover.
Oh, bless his heart.
Yeah.
I am too. I was just talking to my dad on the phone a little while ago, saying, "Do you remember when I was really little, maybe 2? He used to help the town set up fireworks
Oh, yeah?
when I was a real baby. And apparently my mother took me as a baby and we kind of stayed really close to the field in somebody's house. And I just remember those huge booms and I couldn't understand it. I was little. They didn't take me out to see. I might have been just 15 months or something.
Yeah.
But it made a really strong impression.
Where's this?
In Michigan, Monroe.
My sister lives in Michigan. She lives in Detroit. I've told you that.
Probably. Hardly ever see her.
I know. I know.
You've been to Detroit?
We've been, but it's been a while. I'm planning maybe this summer or fall to drop in on her.
Do you remember what part of Detroit
She used to live in Hamtramck. I'm not pronouncing that right, but you know, sort of a Polish neighborhood.
You are.
Oh, okay. Good. She had a loft apartment in an old mattress factory.
That's an adventure.
Yeah, it was something. But now she actually lives in a suburb. Starts with a B. She says it's kind of a Tony suburb. Yeah, that might be it.
It's very totally.
Well, she doesn't have any money, so I can't. I mean,
Maybe she got a small place.
she does have a very small place, but that might be it. I'm not sure.
Auto executives and such.
She just this month started. She's been out of work for a few years. She's a graphic artist, but she just finally got a job with General Motors.
Oh, hooray.
Yeah, and so she's in one of the giant office towers right downtown overlooking the, what is the river there or what?
Detroit River.
Okay.
The Renaissance Center.
That might be it. And boy, her quarters look really fabulous.
That's so good.
Yeah.
That must be a pretty good company.
I hope so. She just started maybe not even 2 weeks ago. And after her being out of work for 3 or 4 years, it's pretty wonderful.
That is wonderful.
She was doing freelance, but
She's in Oakland County, probably, and it's really nice.
But what part of Michigan were you from?
About 40 miles south of Detroit, 20 miles north of Toledo. I worked in Detroit, lived there for several years. It's nice. The art museum is great.
The Detroit Art Museum is great.
It is really good. It's a very good city art museum. Or it was.
Yeah, I'm sure. I think, I don't remember Judy ever mentioning it, but she's really into art, so I'm
That's
sure
right.
she's good. Next year we'll have to tell the city to turn off its lights.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, or we'll have to get some black paper.
Put over the lower part.
Yeah.
Look at that red, white, and blue.
Oh, wow. I feel like we're getting a really good perspective. You know, we're not under the fireworks, which is fun, but we're not too high either. We're just sort of, ooh, look at that.
We're just about level.
Yeah, seems like it.
Another red, white, and blue.
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty. Gavin, do you have a favorite type yet?
I don't think so.
You like them all.
Yeah.
That was like a lot going on.
Yeah. The design.
Nashua. So we usually go up to see the Nashua fireworks. And those are really good. Those are surprisingly good. Wow, I
That's
like
very
that
cool.
one. That one, was that your favorite, Steve?
I think the rings, that smiley face one, I think the rings, the green rings are my favorite one. Because it did it so well, where it was one ring, you know, it was a ring, 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 make up ball kind of.
Oh, wow, yeah. There's a lot of yellow and green, which I like. That's a good color.
Oh, they're coming to the end, you said?
I hope not. Sometimes they tease us with a false finale.
Oh, okay.
Well, you know better than I do. You're more of a aficionado.
Oh.
You know how it goes.
I don't remember. It looks to me like they're finishing, but. we'll
What do you
see.
think, Steve?
The greatest things like that.
Wow, it's pretty beautiful.
Yeah.
It really is. Okay, you probably brought.
Look at that.
Ooh.
That's different.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, those are fabulous.
This is fabulous.
Yeah.
Might be.
That was pretty. That was a nice one,
That
David.
was really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good, yeah.
Wow, somebody's shooting their private ones off over on the side.